Hello and welcome to LeadQuizzes, number one AI quiz maker for marketers. This is Hamad, your customer success manager. Your quiz taker is at the most exciting moment they see their results. So are you letting that moment go to waste? I'm going to show you how to use ethical urgency to turn those results into immediate sales. You can boost your result page conversion by adding urgency in three simple ways. Once you're in your quiz, go to the result page. You can use a deadline instead of a standard button. Try book your free consultation in next 24 hours to receive a discount. Or you can mention something like a limited spots, like only 3 spots left this month, or limited to first 50 participants only. Finally, you can look at call to action button. Stop using boring labels like download guide. Instead, make it something like get my strategic roadmap now. This small change creates a psychological shift from browsing to owning. Urgency isn't about pressure, It's about helping your leads take the next step towards their goals. If you still have any questions, just reply or book a quick call. I'm here to help you succeed. Start building your quiz today with lead quizzes and watch your leads and your business grow faster. Thank you.